when he goes to retrieve his stolen tiffin, he'll cut his hands on the thorns. Oh, that's nice. And then when he touches the tiffin, all the red ants will jump on his hands and bite him and sting him. Oh, that's also very nice. Oh, wait a minute. Are you sure you want to go to the spiritual world? Are you sure about your proposal? These guys sound a little wild. I mean, there's red ants up there too? And there's thorn trees too? I thought there was only thorn trees here. So just believe it or not, when you go to the spiritual world and embark on a Govardhan Parikrama, yes, it's a fact, you will also step on a thorn. Because there's also thorns there. And this point is proven in Brihad Bhagavatamrita by Gopakumar. For example, Gopakumar was born in Govardhan, in this Aprakat Lila. And then finally he attained the Prakat Lila of the Lord. He attained Govardhan in the spiritual world. And he went there, he said, wait a minute. Everything's the same as I came from. The cows, the buffaloes, the thorns, the thorn trees, everything's the same. Did I come anywhere? Did I go anywhere? Or am I still in Braj? This is the point that Sanatana Goswami wants to make. So, as above, so below. That this Braj and that Braj are the same. They actually are the same. It's only a change of consciousness. Now we're in Mayak consciousness. When we're in Krishna consciousness, then we realize this is the spiritual world. Radha and Krishna's pastimes are here.